One wrong cut, one weak joint, one misaligned hinge, and hours of woodworking can fall apart instantly. On AU Techverse, we've gathered 25 genius tools from Makita, Bosch, Kreg, Powertec, Woodpeckers, and more that are built to solve those exact problems with precision. Watch carefully, because every tool featured here has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing one could mean missing the upgrade your workshop actually needs. Bosch 18V Brushless Biscuit Joiner. When you're assembling cabinets or panels, even a slight misalignment can weaken the entire joint. The Bosch 18V Brushless Biscuit Joiner is designed to cut precise slots for strong, consistent biscuit joints. Its brushless motor maintains performance while improving runtime, and the adjustable fence with preset angles helps keep cuts accurate. Tool-free depth settings make setup quick when switching tasks. It's a reliable solution for creating clean, professional joints that hold everything together properly. Makita 3D Wood Auger Bits. Drilling deep holes in thick timber can slow you down when standard bits struggle to clear material cleanly. The Makita 3D Wood Auger bits are designed with a center point and cutting edges that guide the bit smoothly through wood, reducing resistance during drilling. Their extended length helps reach deeper sections without repositioning. Built for consistent performance in dense materials, they deliver cleaner holes with less effort. It's a practical upgrade for faster, more controlled drilling in demanding projects. Kreg Ionic Drive Hammer Drills. When you're drilling into dense material or driving fasteners all day, weak tools quickly slow the entire project. The Kreg Ionic Drive Hammer Drills are built with a brushless motor and powered by Kreg's Blue Ion battery platform for consistent output and runtime. They handle drilling and fastening tasks with controlled power, even under load. The balanced design improves handling during longer use. It's a dependable choice for maintaining speed, accuracy, and efficiency across demanding woodworking tasks. Woodpeckers Polycarbonate Mallets. When assembling fine woodworking pieces, a standard hammer can leave marks or shift joints out of alignment. The Woodpeckers Polycarbonate Mallets are designed to deliver controlled strikes without damaging the surface. The polycarbonate head provides a balance of strength and resilience, while the internal reinforcement and aluminum handle improve control. This makes it easier to seat joints accurately during assembly. It's a precise tool that helps protect your work while ensuring clean, accurate fits. Powertec Cabinet Hinge Jig. Installing concealed hinges can quickly become frustrating when hole placement is even slightly off. The Powertec Cabinet Hinge Jig is designed to guide your drill for accurate cup hole positioning and depth, using a standard handheld drill instead of a drill press. It includes adjustable positioning features and a depth stop for consistent results. The included 35M Forstner bit helps produce clean cuts. It's a practical tool that makes hinge installation faster, more accurate, and repeatable. Bosch 18V Laminate Trim Router. Trimming laminate edges by hand can easily lead to uneven finishes and rework. The Bosch 18V Laminate Trim Router is designed for precise edge work with a brushless motor that delivers consistent speed control across different materials. Its variable speed range allows better matching to the bit and task, while the lightweight design supports one-handed operation. Quick depth adjustments and a clear base improve visibility during cuts. It's a reliable tool for achieving clean, professional edge finishes with control. Makita Cordless Angle Drill. Drilling in tight corners or between studs can quickly become frustrating with a standard drill that simply does not fit. The Makita Cordless Angle Drill is designed for those confined spaces, using a compact right-angle head to reach areas others cannot. Its brushless motor delivers steady power, while the two speed settings allow control for both high speed and high torque tasks. An integrated LED improves visibility. It's a practical tool that makes difficult drilling situations far more manageable and precise. Kreg Edge Band Clamps. Applying edge banding can be frustrating when pressure isn't even and pieces shift during glue up. The Kreg Edge Band Clamps are designed to hold banding securely while keeping both hands free for positioning. Their flexible, glue-resistant bands apply consistent pressure across different shapes without damaging the surface. Pivoting jaws and non-marring pads help maintain alignment on various thicknesses. It's a simple but effective solution for achieving clean, professional edge banding results with less effort. Woodpeckers Bench Chisel Completer Set. Fine joinery often comes down to how cleanly you can shape and pare wood, especially in tight corners. The Woodpeckers Bench Chisel Completer Set is built for precision work, combining A2 tool steel blades with rigid handles for controlled cutting. The design helps maintain sharpness and accuracy during detailed tasks like fitting joints or trimming edges. Balanced handling improves control with each pass. It's a dependable set for achieving clean, accurate cuts and high-quality woodworking projects. Powertec Cam Clamps. Holding a workpiece steady during routing or drilling can make the difference between accuracy and rework. The Powertec Cam Clamps are designed for quick, repeatable clamping on jigs and fixtures, allowing you to secure material without slowing down your workflow. The cam lever applies consistent pressure, while the extended slot design increases adjustment range. They mount easily to T-tracks or setups. It's a practical solution for maintaining stability and precision during repetitive woodworking operations. Bosch Rear Handle Circular Saw. Cutting thick lumber all day demands both power and control, especially on demanding job sites. The Bosch Rear Handle Circular Saw is designed to deliver corded-level performance with cordless convenience, using a brushless motor for consistent cutting speed. Its rear handle design improves balance and line of sight, while the high cutting capacity handles framing materials with ease. Built for durability and precision, it's a reliable choice for fast, accurate cuts in heavy-duty woodworking tasks. Makita Cordless Chainsaw. Cutting large timber or trimming thick branches requires steady power without being tied to a cord. The Makita Cordless Chainsaw is designed for that flexibility, delivering strong cutting performance through a battery-powered system. It features variable speed control for better handling and automatic chain lubrication to keep operations smooth. Built with protection against dust and moisture, it handles outdoor conditions reliably. It's a practical tool for clean, controlled cutting when mobility and consistency both matter. Kreg Drill Guide Pro. Drilling perfectly straight or angled holes without a drill press can be tricky, especially on narrow or round stock. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro adds control with a self-centering base and a V-groove that stabilizes cylindrical pieces. It allows angle adjustments with positive stops for repeatable accuracy, and a built-in depth stop helps maintain consistency across multiple holes. The non-slip feet keep it steady during use. It's a practical way to achieve clean, precise drilling with a standard handheld drill. Woodpeckers Stainless Steel Inspection Square. Checking alignment during a project often reveals small errors that can affect the final fit. The Woodpeckers Stainless Steel Inspection Square is designed for precise measurement and verification, using a one-piece machined body for consistent accuracy. Its rigid construction helps maintain true angles, whether you are setting up tools or checking joints. The weight and finish provide stable handling during layout work. It's a reliable reference tool that helps ensure accuracy at every stage of woodworking. Powertec Foldable Workbench. Working on unstable surfaces can throw off measurements and slow down your entire project. The Powertec Foldable Workbench provides a stable, portable platform with pre-assembled legs and adjustable feet for uneven ground. Its surface includes standard dog holes for clamping and positioning workpieces during cutting or assembly. The foldable design makes it easy to store or transport between job sites. It's a practical solution for creating a reliable workspace wherever you need it. Makita Cordless Oil Pulse Driver. Fastening in tight spaces often creates noise, heat, and fatigue with traditional impact drivers. The Makita Cordless Oil Pulse Driver uses an oil-driven mechanism to deliver smoother, quieter fastening while maintaining consistent torque. Its brushless motor supports efficient performance, and the compact design improves control in confined areas. Reduced vibration helps during repetitive tasks, making long sessions more manageable. It's a practical choice for precise fastening where control, comfort, and low noise all matter. Bosch Brushless Top Handle Jigsaw. Cutting curves and intricate shapes require steady control, especially when working with dense materials. The Bosch Brushless Top Handle Jigsaw is designed to deliver consistent performance with a brushless motor and variable speed control for different materials. Its 4-stage orbital action allows you to adjust cutting aggressiveness, while tool-free blade changes keep workflow efficient. The top handle design improves grip and control. It's a reliable tool for precise, clean cuts in detailed woodworking projects. Kreg Ionic Drive Shop Blower. Dust buildup can quickly reduce visibility and affect accuracy during woodworking tasks. The Kreg Ionic Drive Shop Blower is designed to clear debris efficiently using a brushless motor powered by the Blue-ion battery system. It delivers consistent airflow to clean work surfaces after cutting, sanding, or drilling. The compact, cordless design makes it easy to move around the shop without restrictions. It's a practical tool that helps maintain a clean workspace for better precision and safer working conditions. Woodpeckers Carbide-Tipped Spoilboard Bits. Flattening large slabs or epoxy surfaces can be challenging when planers are not suitable. The Woodpeckers Carbide-Tipped Spoilboard bits are designed for use with router sleds to create flat, even surfaces without tear out. Their multi-flute carbide cutting edges maintain clean results across varying grain patterns. The design keeps the cut stable as it moves parallel to the surface. It's a reliable solution for achieving smooth, level finishes on oversized or complex woodworking projects. Powertec Hook and Loop Sanding Block Set. Hand sanding detailed surfaces can be inconsistent without proper support and dust control. The Powertec Hook and Loop Sanding Block Set is designed to provide a stable grip and even pressure across surfaces, helping achieve uniform finishes. It connects to dust extraction systems, reducing airborne particles during sanding. The ergonomic handle improves control, especially on edges and frames. It's a practical solution for clean, controlled sanding where precision and surface quality matter most. Makita Random Orbit Sander. Finishing a project often comes down to how smooth the surface feels, and uneven sanding can ruin the final look. The Makita Random Orbit Sander is designed to deliver swirl-free finishes with a controlled random orbit motion. It offers variable speed control to match different materials, while the pad brake helps prevent gouging. The ergonomic grip improves handling during longer sessions. It's a reliable tool for achieving smooth, consistent finishes across a wide range of woodworking projects. Bosch Brushless StarlockMax Oscillating Tool. When a project demands cutting, sanding, and scraping in tight or awkward spots, switching tools slows everything down. The Bosch Brushless StarlockMax Oscillating Tool handles multiple tasks with one system, delivering up to high oscillation speeds with adjustable settings for control. The StarlockMax interface improves torque transfer and allows fast accessory changes. Its brushless motor ensures consistent performance. It's a versatile tool that simplifies detailed work where precision and flexibility are both required. Kreg Ionic Drive 1/4 Trim Router. Detail work often comes down to control, especially when shaping edges or trimming laminate. The Kreg Ionic Drive 1/4 Trim Router is designed with a brushless motor and variable speed control, allowing you to match performance to different materials. Its rack and pinion depth adjustment helps fine-tune cuts with precision, while the clear base and dual LEDs improve visibility. Built-in dust collection keeps the workspace cleaner. It's a reliable tool for achieving clean, accurate routing in detailed woodworking tasks. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Raised Land Mortising Bits. Cutting clean mortises is critical when joints need to fit perfectly without gaps. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Raised Land Mortising Bits are designed to stabilize the cut with a raised land geometry that supports the cutting edge throughout the process. This reduces chatter and helps maintain consistent dimensions. The optimized helix and rigid construction improve control during routing. It's a dependable option for producing smooth, accurate mortises that fit cleanly in fine woodworking projects. Powertec Punch Tool and Hammerless Nail Set. Setting nails or marking drill points with a hammer can easily damage delicate surfaces or reduce accuracy. The Powertec Punch Tool and Hammerless Nail Set uses a spring-loaded mechanism to deliver controlled impact without needing a hammer. Each tool provides consistent striking force, making it easier to set nails, mark centers, or remove hinge pins. The compact design improves control in tight spaces. It's a practical solution for precise, clean work without risking surface damage. That wraps up our list of 25 genius woodworking tools that can genuinely improve your workflow and precision. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools and tech insights that actually make your work easier.